So finally the wait is over. After the final results of IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta, the final admission results of IIM Kozhikode are out. In this video I'll be walking you through a detailed analysis of the placements of IIM Kozhikode, as well as the most important thing, which is the IIM Kozhikode waitlist movement, because you would want to know that, okay, what exactly is going to be my waitlist movement? Will I get an admission in IIM Kozhikode or not? Also, apart from that, a few very interesting things about IIM Kozhikode, which is the IIM Kozhikode PGP Finance program and IIM Kozhikode PGP LSM program. इन दोनों तीनों programs के बारे में भी काफी बातें करने वाला हूँ, काफी insights, because you know, if you watched my videos, I'm known for bringing out insights which you might not find from anywhere else. Therefore, stick around. All of your queries are going to get answered. Hi, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Without further ado, let's head on to this and understand a bit more about IIM Kozhikode so that you can make that call whether you would want to take the final admission at IIM Kozhikode or not. Now, here is what you know already, because you've been an aspirant, you've appeared for IIM Kozhikode. There are three programs, which is PGP program, postgraduate program, PGP Finance, postgraduate program in finance, and the PGP Liberal Studies and Management program at IIM Kozhikode. You know these things. Now, some interesting insights, some important things to know about these programs at IIM Kozhikode. I'll be talking about two specific areas. First of all, about the placements, because I know placements are important for you and you'd want to know कि भैया placements कैसे होती हैं PGP Fin में, PGP LSM में, and all of those things. Now, the first thing is pooled placements होती है. This is going to be the 5th batch, in fact, and the placements happen together. In fact, if you go to their website, what you will also see is that the placement report is combined. You will not be able to make out कि अरे PGP LSM के students की कितनी की हुई थी average and PGP Fin के इतनी की हुई थी. नहीं, you cannot figure that out. However, a few interesting insider things which you need to know about these things. See, some companies do come in with the criteria that, okay, we need only PGP students, that our shortlisting criteria is only PGP. However, these are very few. Most companies are open for all, whether it is the normal flagship PGP program or the PGP Finance program or PGP LSM program at IIM Kozhikode. One thing which you need to know is this, that currently हाल फिलहाल में अभी ऐसी कोई कंपनी नहीं है, या फिर अगर है भी तो हैंडफुल होंगी. I'm not sure about that, but from what I know, from what I've spoken to the students and the PlaceCom and this and that, from what I've spoken to the students, no company comes specially for PGP Finance or PGP LSM. This is unlike an IIML, wherein you have a program on agri-business management and some companies come specially for ABM students. तो वैसा वाला scenario अभी create नहीं हुआ है at IIM Kozhikode. Yes, their intention is exactly that. I am very sure the intention of IIM Kozhikode is eventually to reach a point that their PGP Finance program is so attractive in itself and their PGP LSM program is so attractive in itself that companies will specially come for it. However, this is all okay. This is all fine. इससे कोई problem नहीं हो रही है. From there, a few things about the academics. How do things work in the academics for these three programs at IIM Kozhikode? And then towards the end, we'll move towards the waitlist. I know you are waiting for it. Now, one very interesting thing. The first year subjects of these three programs are not the same. बहुत subjects ऐसे हैं first year के mandatory subjects जो कि PGP Finance और PGP LSM में हैं, but they are not in the first year of PGP. However, those subjects which are mandatorily taught to a PGP Finance student and a PGP LSM student in the first year, you can choose them in the second year as electives. Hello, this is extremely important. Hear me out clearly. If you are a PGP student, तो जो PGP Finance के जो mandatory subjects या PGP LSM के first year mandatory subjects है, वो आप second year में आपके पास as electives available होते हैं usually. I am not saying that all of them. In the same way, if in PGP Finance or in PGP LSM there are certain subjects of the PGP which you will not be having in the first year, वो आप भी second year में as electives ले सकते हैं, most of them. Now here is the thing. This is one thing which you need to know, and no restrictions on which clubs and committees which you will join, because at the end of the day, because the placements happen एक साथ, the PlaceCom is the same. Therefore, PGP LSM का student can be in the same club as a PGP student and it's all the same. उसमें फर्क नहीं है कुछ. Moving on from there, let's talk about I want to give you a broad idea of the batch size. So what you can see in blue is the PGP flagship program batch size across the years. Then in orange the PGP LSM and in grey the PGP Fin. It has been pretty much the same. Similar ही है, फर्क नहीं हुआ है, कोई batch size में increase नहीं हुआ है, same है. You can expect it to be the same. Moving on from there. Now this is what I was trying to say to you. In this table, what you're seeing are the term 1, term 2 and term 3 subjects of PGP Finance. ठीक है, ये वो है. ग्रे में जो हाईलाइट करे हैं मैंने, ये वो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं which are specific PGP Finance and they are not in the first year of PGP. तो नॉर्मल IIM कोई कोड PGP प्रोग्राम के जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनसे अलग है ये वाले which are in gray. These are, these gray subjects are the one which makes PGP Finance a different finance oriented specialized program. You can see all of them and you can actually see that yes, all of them are usually accounting or finance or all of those kind of subjects. See, again, you have to understand. Now your question is going to be कि ठीक है सर, subjects तो दे दिया आपने, स्लाइड पे बता दिए ये वो सब, but PGP Finance करने लायक है. Should we go for it or not? I would say why not. The reason for that is, and okay, while I'm saying why not, this is a comparative thing. Obviously, if you have a final call for IIM कोई कोड PGP Finance, you would also be having a few other options as well. Therefore, comparative analysis है. इसीलिए अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपको एक comparative analysis दूं, whether IIM कोई कोड और SP Jain, whether IIM कोई कोड और XLRI, whether IIM कोई कोड और IIM Indore, whether IIM कोई कोड और MDI, if you want this comparative analysis, I have prepared them all. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, very important, because I'll be bringing to you such insights which most others won't bring you. I do that for you. Now from here again, you can see this. PGP Finance is a good program because hey, finance jobs usually at IIMs are the higher paying jobs, especially if they're quality finance jobs. I am not speaking about a finance job in a bank or a financial sales job. No. The attempt of IIM Koi Code with this program is that can they attract similar kind of finance, quality finance roles which right now an IIM Calcutta is able to attract, or which right now an SP Jain is able to attract. That seems to be the intention. Therefore, going by that, I am sure in the next few years, this is going to be a very quality program for you. Hence, this makes sense for you to join. Again, depends on which other options do you have. Moving on from there, the same thing I have curated for PGP LSM. Now, what you need to know here is that the kind of subjects which you'll see are very unique programs, and the ones again in gray are the ones which are unique to LSM and are not in the normal flagship. This is that. Now, one would ask यार ये subjects इतने हैं अलग, फिर भी placements एक साथ हो जाती है? जी हाँ, हो जाती है. That's that. And I'm sure IIMK's eventual intention somewhere is going to be to separate this out, but okay, I should not be speculating like this, but this is that. Now, this is a beautiful mix of subjects. One thing I always appreciate is that 5 IIMs have this IPM program, which is a 5-year this thing. This PGP LSM program, it gives me a feel of that, because in the IPM, the subjects are so holistic. They really work on improving that student in the overall perspective. This PGP LSM program gives me that sort of a thing. And you know what I can sense is that PGP LSM student is a very good candidate for a marketing role, for an advertising or a communication sort of a role. So this is what you can understand from here. Now again, quick idea about the placements. As I've already informed you that the placements are all combined. The placements are all combined for this. Therefore, I cannot share with you कि PGP LSM की placement इतनी थी ये थी. As you can see, placement, the average has been increasing, and this is a good sign. It's a good sign that a B school is performing well despite the increase in the batch size, which means that since you have students of FIN and LSM and all of that, so these numbers look good. इसमें कोई problem नहीं है. Now from there, a few things about the placements, more things about the placements which are important for you, which is that domain wise कहाँ पे place हो रहे हो आप. You can see majority of the placements are happening in consulting, your McKinsey, BCG, Bain and all of those companies. Then you have finance. Obviously, if you can see, thanks to the fact that PGP Finance has come in, you can see that there is an increase in the finance job roles. Whether the quality is at par of what you'd have at an IMC or at an SPJ, obviously not, but yes, this is a good sign. You would think that okay, consulting का percentage तो पहले 41 था, मतलब कम हो गया है, but this is only percentage because some others have increased. For example, finance has increased. For example, general management has increased by over 130% point from 6% to 14. Obviously, the other percentage will drop. This does not mean कि consulting के absolute number of offers कम हो गए, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. This will give you a good snippet. Also, I have compiled average salaries of all of these. You can find it that okay, consulting pays the highest. Second highest is obviously IT analytics. Again, this was the case of IIM Ahmedabad. If you've seen my channel, on my channel, I have done the full detailed placement report analysis of IIM Ahmedabad. This is not only for IIM A के जो है, मतलब वहाँ के जो है students. No, even even if you are a aspirant for IMK, watch that video because that video will give you an idea how to read a placement report. It's a good video to watch. So you can get an idea ki highest number of placements kahan hai, kaisa hai, and all of those things. And now from there, I'll get on to the waitlist trends, the waitlist movement at IIM Kozhikode. But before that, a very important announcement for all the aspirants who are making it to IIM Kozhikode or who are awaiting and final admission this year. I have launched a course called How to Be School. This is a pre-MBA program, a complete pre-MBA program. The objective is to help you maximize your impact from your MBA. I talk about a lot of things in this program. Starts from your academics, your friendships, your networking, case analysis, placements, this and that. A broad overview of everything so that when you're walking into your MBA, you are not clueless. That's that. So go on this page, read this page, and I'm sure that this is something which is going to really make it happen for you in your MBA. Right now, this is in the launch list. Go ahead and put your name and email here, and as soon as I launch this course, or if this video releases at that point where this has been launched already, you will be able to see the link to enroll for this. Now let's talk about the final waitlist movement trends at IIM Kozhikode, and here we go. This is what it is. I've compiled the waitlist movement for the last 2 years for all 3 programs. तो आप यहाँ पे pause कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, इसमें समझाने का कुछ नहीं है. If you've seen me, if you've seen other videos of mine, I do not get into speculating and predicting कि अगर पिछले साल इतना हुआ था तो इस साल कितना होगा, क्या होगा. आप इन्हीं डेटा से you can figure out that this is something which cannot be predicted. For example, I'll tell you, PGP general category moved from 187 to 174, okay, in those 2 years. However, PGP LSM moved from 28 to 45. तो वहां पे कम हुआ, यहाँ पे हो गया increase. What does it mean? It simply implies I or nobody claims to be able to do so can ever predict that इस साल कितनी waitlist move होगी. The reason why I've prepared this slide for you is that so that you have this data in front of you. This is RTI data of the last 2 years. Make some sense of it. Obviously, if you are clearly within the waitlist, then you know कि हाँ chances हैं हो जाए. If you're on the, if you are on the edge of it, comment करके भी पूछने का मुझे कोई फायदा नहीं है because मैं भी आपको कोई conclusive answer दूंगा ही नहीं. Most likely, I'll not even give you an answer for that because I cannot predict. I don't want to give you a false hope that हाँ बेटा तेरा यहाँ हो जाएगा और तेरा ना जरूर हो जाएगा. अच्छा क्या प्रोफाइल है तेरी, जरूर हो जाएगा. मैं ऐसी बातें नहीं कर सकता. ये बहुत ही ओछी किस्म की बातें हैं because ये predict करना impossible है, and you know it. Even predicting a shortlist from an IIM, even if you've scored a superb CAT percentile, is impossible. How does one predict this? So the ones who are predicting this are fooling around with you. You should not do that. Therefore, I understand it'll be a time of supreme anxiety. I am with you on it. If you want to comment down. I'd love to know how did you like this video, and just wait for a few days, for a few weeks when the waitlists will move and you'll get an idea about it. And I'm sure that apart from this, you'll be having some other calls which you'll be hopeful for. If not, don't worry. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be talking about certain skills which MBA students need to have. Good important skills for MBA students. Therefore, start working on that, focus on yourself, and you will do something really well. Thanks a lot and goodbye.